Today we'll take a look inside of this charging base used for this Panasonic cordless telephone. Originally, this would be used with the phone plugged into a DC power adapter, and the phone would be plugged into this to charge. And the power adapter they included output 6.5 volts DC at 500 milliamps, but the phone batteries would just be 2 nickel metal hydride AAA batteries, which totals to 2.4 volts, as those are 1.2 volts per cell, making me wonder if the charging circuit is inside of this or inside of the phone itself. I will take apart this power adapter in a future video to observe what this currently outputs. I will measure the open circuit voltage and short circuit current using a multimeter. It outputs 8.14 volts DC, negative because I got the polarity wrong. And for short circuit current, 550 milliamps. And 8.16 volts out again. So shorting it didn't activate a protection feature of any kind. Now let's take a look inside of this. There's one Phillips screw on the bottom. And then it opens, revealing a circuit board with the 2 spring contacts, a resistor, which is warm probably from the short circuit test, power jack, and nothing else. Let's remove the screw that holds this circuit in. Oh, that popped out. Do it on this one. That popped out too. So now that I have removed the circuit board, we can see the terminals that go to the phone for charging, a small resistor here, the charging connector, and on the top of the board, a 10 ohm resistor and some sort of diode. An SR140S. I'll try and draw a schematic of this little circuit. The circuit has been analyzed and a schematic has been made. I'm representing the power input as a DC source. The power goes from the source through a 3 amp fuse, which is this component on the board right here. It even says next to it F1 3 amps. I measured across it with a multimeter and got a very low resistance, so it definitely seems to be a fuse. And then goes through the SR140S diode, which is this. Then through the 10 ohm resistor, which is this. And then out to the plus contact pad for the charger, which is here. Then the negative side of the power supply, which is the jack, just goes straight to the negative contact for the phone, which is here. So this is what is inside of a Panasonic cordless phone's charging base. The diode seems to be reverse polarity protection, such that if the phone batteries are connected to the contacts at the base of the cordless phone, it doesn't backfeed the power adapter. The 10 ohm resistor and 3 amp fuse appear to be a fire safety measure, such that if the contacts in the base got shorted, it would limit the current. But anyways, make sure to subscribe for more videos.